Polling allows you to connect with your students easily and do learning checks from anywhere you have an internet connection at any time. To create a poll, click the Add Media button, then Apps, and then Polling. It will open in a new tab. As you create new polls, they will be saved here, and you can access them and see the results at any time. Each poll has an icon which tells you at a glance what kind of poll it is. There is also a menu giving you various options like viewing results, duplicating, and more. You have many types of polls to choose from. Make your selection and start creating your poll. Give your poll a title, type your question, add up to 5 options, and add more questions if you need to. You can customize the poll by changing the background color and adding images. You can also add more text on the page if you need to. When the poll is ready to go, click Launch to get started. The launch screen will display the join URL to give to your students to participate in the poll. You can also see how many students have joined as well as how many responses have been collected. Clicking the View Responses button will show the responses in chart view by default. This is a bar graph of each response. Switching to card view will show individual responses. Names are hidden by default, so click Show Names to show student names. Polls are saved in the cloud, so you can reuse them as many times as you wish. Each set of responses will be grouped by polling session.